Today we are going to talk about the Nohrtec Microclient Senior Fanless computer from Norhtec. The Microclient Senior is extremely small. It is approximately 4.5 inches square and about 1 inch thick. The unit is extremely green also. It only uses about 4 watts of power compared with the average PC, which uses about 100 watts. Since it is so power efficient, it runs cool, even without a fan. This unit has been running for hours and is still warm to the touch. You can leave these units on all day and they will stay cool. Another nice feature of the Microclient Senior is that it mounts to any device which has a standard VESA mount. Virtually all flat screen monitors and flat screen TVs have this standard VESA mount. Using the VESA mount is a great way to change an old LCD monitor into an all-in-one computer, or to add a PC to an LCD or plasma TV. The Microclient Senior has lots of ports. On the front is a compact flash port. The compact flash drive acts as a solid-state hard drive for the Microclient Senior. It also has 2 USB ports on the front, a power switch, and a port for the microphone and for headphones or external speakers. On the back of the Microclient is a 3rd USB port, a standard 10100 Ethernet port, a VGA port, a keyboard port, and a power port, as well as the power switch. The Microclient Senior is powered by a low-powered VIA microprocessor. This was originally designed for use in laptops. It has the approximate computing power of a Pentium 3 processor, and we will demonstrate how useful that is in both Windows XP as well as Linux. The Microclient Senior is available from Junk Mookie on eBay for less than $150. Now, let's begin the demonstration. First, we will demonstrate the unit running Windows XP. So let's boot up Internet Explorer and start surfing. Let's go to Google and let's search for eBay. Okay, now go ahead and click on eBay. As you can see, the Microclient is very useful for surfing the web. Now let's close that down and open up a word processor. Okay, type green computer is good for the earth. And now let's go ahead and change the font and change the font color to green. Great. So you can see the Microclient Senior works well even though it is running multiple applications. Now let's demonstrate full motion video on the Microclient. As you can see, full motion video works very well on the Microclient Senior also. Next, we will demonstrate the Microclient running Ubuntu Linux, a free operating system. First, we'll open up a browser and go to Google and search for Yahoo. Let's go ahead and click on Yahoo. As you can see, it browses pretty well. Okay, now let's go ahead and launch a word processor real quick. And now let's go ahead and type some text. Green computer, not good for the earth. And let's go ahead and so you can see that it easily multitasks. So, as you can see, the Microclient Senior is a great platform for Linux. It's a great desktop PC running either Windows or Linux. It's also useful in applications as a network appliance. For instance, it's great for use as an Asterisk PBX call processor, or in applications which require space saving or low heat, like kiosks. It's also useful as a computer installed in a vehicle. So that wraps up our demonstration of the Microclient Senior from Norhtec. Happy computing!